What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of the 2015 Subaru WRX build. What we're going to be doing today is installing some very, probably the highest quality exhaust system you can get for this car. It is made by Grimmspeed. The reason we're doing catback instead of a turboback, the catback you don't have to tune the car, turboback you have to get it retuned. So yeah, let's head into the shop. We got to do a cold start of the stock exhaust, obviously a cold start after, show the difference, and get this Grimmspeed exhaust unboxed. Let's go in the shop.
What up, please?
If you guys did not see yesterday's video where we installed these very nice LED fog lights, go check it out. It'll be up in the top right hand corner. Yeah, go watch it. What's the first thing we're doing?
We're gonna unbox the exhaust.
Are you gonna unbox it?
Heck yeah.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Want to explain this exhaust?
I have no idea what I'm looking at.
What? We put exhaust on the gen.
I know. All I know is those two things on the end are the mufflers. And this is the downpipe?
Mid
Mid-pipe.
Close enough. Like Bobby said, that would be considered the axle back, and this would be the mid pipe. So we are replacing the catback exhaust system on this car. We got it all set up. This is how it goes on the car. We have some bolts just chilling in there, no gaskets or anything. I will probably bolt it all together, but leave the bolts loose with all gaskets and all that stuff. I gotta talk about something real quick. Let me pick my nose.
Why'd your voice get so squeaked?
I don't know what
out.
it is. Huge shout out to Grimmspeed. Number one, it's a very high quality system. Everyone in the Subaru community knows that Grimmspeed makes really high quality stuff. And number two, why I think this is a really good system. You guys know all the new Cali rules, or the exhaust rules in California. This is either like the only exhaust system or one of the only exhaust systems that is actually still legal in California, that it still meets the decibel limit. So all my Subi homies out there, if you want to run exhaust, if you want to still build big power, which is also illegal in California, but if you want to send it anyway, and you don't want to get pulled over for exhaust, pick up a Grimmspeed system because it's proven. They tested it. This still meets the California requirements. Up here in Washington, it doesn't freaking matter. I still get pulled over for exhaust, but with this, Cameron's never gonna get pulled over. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Check out these freaking welds. Pretty nice. It's all stainless. It's never gonna rust. We got our sweet Grimmspeed badge right there. These tips are polished. Very high quality system. They included all new bolts. They included new hangers, which I've never seen another exhaust system or exhaust company include new hangers before, so that's really nice. Some stickers. I like stickers. Should we do a sound test before?
Yeah, let's do it before.
You want to start her up? This thing's pretty freaking quiet as is. So this is all stock, guys. Nothing done whatsoever. No SPT, no nothing. Oh, what? Alright, that's good. I think a Prius just started up under my shop.
For real, though.
That was so quiet. So that was the cold start. As you can hear, it's pretty freaking quiet. Should we freaking put this on?
Maybe that's it. Let's put it on.
I'm scared to. It's gonna sound too good. You want to go get cookies?
Yeah.
You want to go get cookies? Let's go get cookies. Okay, so what we're gonna do, boys and girls, since Bobby yells when I say that, is put this system on. No, for real though. We gotta put it together. That's what that's what we're doing. We're putting it together. I'm taking these bolts out real quick. I'm gonna flip them around. I want the bolt going through. That way I'm like OCD about that kind of stuff. I like my freaking bolts. Never mind. And then, so I'm gonna put the bolt through.
This is gonna be a long night.
I'm gonna put the bolts through with the gaskets, put the washer on, put the nut on, and kind of snug it up a little bit, but not all the way, just so we can put it on the car, make sure everything's aligned right, and then we can tighten everything up. That's where you go to the gym, to rip open packages like this. My bolts are gonna go through this way, then your, wait. Put our nice new gasket on. Slide her through. This nut already has the washer built in, as you guys can see. So we're just gonna thread that guy on. What a guy. What a guy. That's a nice nut.
Okay.
Where'd my other nut go? I hate when I bust it. All right, let's get the other nut on. Bam, bam, bam. So I'm gonna do it for that joint, that joint, that joint. And then up there, we will have to do that like on the car. Cause that goes to the, I believe it'd be called the overpipe on this car because yeah. I'm gonna jack her up. Always jack up off the rear differential. It's always been fine. It's like rubber mounted. Do good, guys. You're not gonna freaking break it. I've done it like a million times and I ain't tripping. So you shouldn't be tripping either. This is gonna be really wet.
I know.
There's only one thing I like.
Not appropriate.
So what I'm gonna try to do is pull this whole cap back off at once. We should be able to. Yeah, I don't see why not. And then slide the whole cap back on at once as well. They're both kind of heavy.
What's different? What's a cat back?
That system right there.
What's that?
The cap back's not a brand. It's the part of the exhaust system.
Oh, okay.
Mid pipe and axle box together are considered cap back.
Okay.
Make sense?
Makes sense.
It's much easier just to do everything at once.
Safety first.
Definitely. You don't want to die when you're putting the Grimmspeed on, because then you'll never know how good she's gonna sound. Oh, it's soaking under here again. Oh wow, sweet puddles. All right, so we are disconnecting it right here. The nut is a 12 millimeter and the bolt is a 14 millimeter. Now we have a hanger right there we are gonna pop off. I'm gonna take it off on the top just because I'm gonna be replacing the hanger with the Grimmspeed ones. And then there's two on each muffler, one on the front right there, and then one in the back.
Out with the old and in with the new.
That is crusty. A little tidbit of advice. Don't do this when it's winter because you will end up getting soaked head to toe like I just did. I mean, it's
Let's see your butt.
No.
Embarrassed?
Butt's too big. This here is, I want to say that's like a 2.5, maybe 2 1/4. This is a 3-inch. This is gonna flow better, but being that we're not tuning the car, you might see like, I don't know, 10, 15 horsepower gain. But if we did a downpipe and get it fully catless and tune it with the intake.
Wow.
And a big turbo.
Now we're talking.
No, just full bolt-ons would be fun, but if Cameron ever wants to go like a full exhaust system and get it tuned, now he has the best exhaust in the world to make some good power. So yeah, let's get the system on now. This should be quite a bit louder. Should we start the car with no exhaust?
Yeah.
I
want to do it.
All right.
Or actually, I want to be the one to hear it the most. I don't want to start it. Cute.
That's crazy. There must be a lot of restriction in there. That actually kind of sounds good. Like just like that.
Yeah.
Let's get the system on. There's a hanger there, hanger there, hanger there, hanger there, hanger there. 2 bolts up front, and you're done.
Get your alfalfa down.
I'm gonna have to go into the car where it's really wet, and I don't want to ruin the Boston hat.
You okay?
No.
I think it's so heavy.
Definitely ain't no titanium, but longevity is key when it comes to the off-road performance WRX. Don't want to scorch it. This is gonna look freaking amazing, dude.
I know.
Maybe. What?
Holy cow.
What?
Those are looking good. So shiny. Are you okay down there, horse?
What is it?
Oil? I don't know.
I've been working hard. I didn't even cut myself. All right, we got the full exhaust system on. The only thing left to do is to tighten up the rear bolts that go from the mufflers to that Y pipe. Everything honestly looks lined up perfectly, wouldn't you say? Like 2 fingers there.
Yeah.
2 fingers there. Like
that looks so good.
I know, it's still loose in it's fitting perfect. So all I'm gonna do, grab my 17 millimeter and my 14, tighten up these 4 right here. There's 2 over here, right here, guys. And then right there as well. Tighten those things up, and then we can lower this thing down. One thing I would recommend doing before you get the car off the stands or off your lift or whatever you guys are doing, start it up, make sure you don't have any exhaust leaks, because if you put it on the ground and you have an exhaust leak, then you gotta jack it back up. And that's just not okay.
All right.
And now we can see how good it sounds too.
Start her up.
Shall we do her?
Mm-hmm.
Do her dirty?
Yep. Whoa. All this like fluff came out when you
really?
started it, yeah.
This is a brand new nip and NOS.
Yeah. Wow. Rev it up.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good. It's got that nice little Subi tone to it, not the rumble.
Subi rumble?
These motors don't really rumble.
Oh yeah.
The FA20 sound. That sounded like a leak, didn't it?
It was rumbly.
Just like that, we had a leak.
For real?
Tiny bit of leak, yeah. I gotta just tighten it up. And then we should be good. Tips are way freaking bigger.
They're huge.
They are. They're really freaking good.
I like them a lot.
I think the stock ones look a little bit better. No?
No.
Oh, okay. That's it. If you're putting the Grimmspeed exhaust on with the rest of the system stock, use the stock donut gasket and the stock bolts with the springs. That's how it should be done. I didn't do that on here at first, and that's why I had the exhaust leak. I had to take the system back apart right there, put the exhaust donut gasket back in, bolt it back together, and now we're good. No leaks. Sounds absolutely amazing. These tips actually adds a lot to the car, which I didn't think it would. But now you're just cruising down the road, you know, like this. And then, you know, everyone behind you just looks at your beautiful tips. Tits. If you guys want to pick up this exhaust system or anything else from Grimmspeed, I'll have them linked down in the description box below, right under the link for my website, which is boston.com. Oh, actually, it's all sold out. I'm pretty much all sold out. So go on Grimmspeed because I don't really have much left. Very, very high quality stuff. Huge shout out to my boys at Grimmspeed. That is going to be it for this video. I hope, really hope you guys enjoyed this one. This probably is my favorite install. One of my favorite installs that we're doing on this car. Exhaust is just so freaking important. And Cameron, if you're watching this, I hope, well, I know you're gonna be watching this, but I hope you do the rest of the system and get it tuned, because that'd be dope. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Should we comment something down below again?
No.
No. Come here. We gotta comment this. You guys know what's up. Comment full sned down in the description box below if you approve of the new Grimmspeed exhaust system. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.